Ethereum Value Expectation 2025-2030 Outline. As per our examination, Ethcoin is supposed to arrive at least in greatest value levels of $2,921 and $3,589 in 2025, $6,795 and $7,650 in 2030. Ethereum, ETH, the second biggest crypto after Bitcoin, has soared in esteem since its creation. The ETH cost has expanded from $0.311 at its 2015 send-off to around $4,800 at its most noteworthy late 2021 and dropped to its ongoing degree of about $1,327 with a lot of unpredictability en route. While the crypto market has acted mischievously all through 2022, with competitions and different variables adding to the ceaseless precariousness, it is critical to know where the trailblazer of altcoins, Ethereum, is going towards the new year, and then some. There is expansive certainty that the main Brilliant Agreement blockchain will endure this time of preliminaries. Subsequently, in this video, we'll jump into the Ethereum's cost expectations. What is the consolidation and what effect will it have on the value pattern of ETH? We will take a gander at the most recent improvements in the post-change and what different variables will shape the cost figure. The most notable experts and stages figures will be summed up toward the end. What is Ethereum? ETH. Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital forms of money that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. It is the greatest altcoin and the second biggest digital money by market capitalization. Sent off by Vitalik Buterin in 2015, Ethereum is one of the most element-rich and fascinating decentralized open-source blockchains that empowers the programmability of brilliant agreements. The savvy contract made by the pioneer behind Ethereum is a progressive thought intended to increment exchange security, diminish costs, and perhaps decentralize the whole planet. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are highlights of Ethereum. Subsequently, it is the blockchain of decision for most designers and endeavors, with serious areas of strength for its. Ethereum is a fundamental piece of the crypto market, and without it, a significant number of the top applications and administrations that have ascended to prevalence over the most recent couple of years wouldn't be here today. Ethereum's developments gave a beginning to such patterns as gathering pledges on the blockchain, ICO, decentralized applications, dApps, decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Other than being an extraordinarily imaginative innovation, Ethereum, ETH, is likewise an extraordinary resource for speculation, one of the best and solid cryptos in the space. Ethereum has a lot of cool highlights and plans for the future for this reason. This digital currency is as well known among crypto financial backers for all intents and purposes. Toward the day's end, what separates ETH from different coins is its assortment of purpose cases, and the rundown continues to develop consistently. ETH isn't simply a speculative resource, it has genuine worth. However long the coins group keeps on fostering the blockchain and present new inventive highlights, Ethereum will probably proceed to develop and thrive. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. If you have any desire to put resources into cryptographic forms of money, monetary specialists recommend that it's smart to begin with the two most notable cryptos available at the present time, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yet, it's critical to take note of that they have specialized contrasts, yet additionally offer two totally unique incentives for financial backers. Numerous financial backers consider Bitcoin to be a store of significant worth, likewise portrayed as computerized gold, that can be utilized as a protection from expansion. Bitcoin was the primary cryptographic money and is significantly more expensive. The typical cost for a Bitcoin is around $19,000. Ethereum, then again, is a product stage that permits engineers to fabricate other crypto-situated applications on it. Not at all like Bitcoin, Ethereum has an uncapped stockpile. Numerous financial backers purchasing ETH accept that the organization will keep on being utilized and developed by designers. The passage point for purchasing the crypto is a ton lower than Bitcoin, particularly with ongoing cost drops. The ETH cost is at present floating around $1,200. As far as market capitalization, ETH is 48.2% off BTC's market cap. Nonetheless, in regards to exchange counts and absolute exchange charges, ETH is in front of BTC on the two counts. ETH's ascent in normal exchange size is the specific converse of what has been seen such a long ways in 2022 slump. Because of huge inflows into the spot and subsidiary business sectors, ETH dominated Bitcoin in July. Moreover, on 2 August, open interest (OI) of Deribit Ether choices evaluated at $5.6 billion surpassed the OI of Bitcoin, esteemed at $4.6 billion by 32%. This was the initial time in history that ETH outperformed BTC in the choices market. A few financial backers accept that the second biggest crypto has beaten the ruler of crypto, BTC, to turn into the most popular crypto. A speedy division of volume by market cap of both cryptos has uncovered Ethereum's overall volume is, truth be told, more prominent than that of Bitcoin. Ether spot market action has likewise expanded, with the digital currency outperforming Bitcoin as the most exchanged coin on Coinbase some time back. In general, significant yields frequently imply high dangers. Both cryptos are exceptionally theoretical resources, and you ought to constantly be careful while money management. Will ETH hit $10,000 in 2023? Assuming that ETH hit $10,000 in 2023, that would check a generally 6.5x return from current levels. Given the digital currency's more than 50x return from its 2020 lows under $100 to its 2021 record highs close $4,900, such a move ought not be limited as inconceivable. Notwithstanding, things would have to go entirely 1 year from now assuming ETH is to post such gigantic returns. Ethereum's line of expected redesigns, similar to the impending Shanghai hard fork focused on for the finish of Q1 2023, will all additionally have to go flawlessly, like the consolidation moved in September. In the meantime, for ETH to mobilize past record highs and towards $10,000, the Ethereum decentralized money DeFi biological system will have to reawaken. As per DeFi Llama, there is just about $41 billion in crypto secured in Ethereum-based Shroud agreements right now, down from more than $150 billion in late 2021 mid-2022. That is reasonable going to have to ascend around 10x from current levels, assuming ETH will hit $10,000. According to our Ethereum cost expectation for 2025, the coin is set to ascend as Ethereum network sees more organizations and combinations soon. ETH is supposed to arrive at any rate and greatest value levels of around $2,921 and $3,589 in 2025, with a typical cost exchanging at $3,255. Ethereum value expectation 2025. Despite the fact that it tends to be challenging to estimate the cost of an unstable digital money, a larger part of crypto powerhouses and specialists agree that ETH may ultimately move back to these record highs as 1. Full-scale financial circumstances improve. 2. Crypto reception and improvement proceeds to develop, and 3. The crypto administrative scene becomes more clear, preparing for more prominent degrees of crypto projects into the space. Price prediction kept a bullish long-haul Ethereum conjecture that projected ETH could be worth around $1,808.71 in 2023, $2,705.67 in 2024, and $4,086.73 in 2025 in light of its man-made consciousness, helped specialized examination. Then again, ETH cost figure from exchanging monsters was not unreasonably certain, which uncovered